Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can fix a problem when you are installing apps. It shows AssistiveTouch is off to confirm with Face ID. So if you do not want to see this message when you are installing an app, what you can do is first swipe up to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. And in Settings, you want to go down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Touch. Then we go down and tap on AssistiveTouch. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and turn off Confirm with AssistiveTouch. And then tap on Use Double Click. Now swipe up to go back to the home screen. Next, go back to your App Store and then try to download the app now. And this time, you can see it shows the install button instead of that AssistiveTouch download. Now tap on the install button, and this time you can either put in a password or you can double click on the side button to proceed with the download. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.